हो रहा है। यहाँ लोकल और होम ग्रोन प्लेयर्स तो है ही, कई इंटरनेशनल प्लेयर्स भी इस मार्केट में कदम रख रहे हैं और ऐसा ही एक इंटरनेशनल प्लेयर है ब्रांड कोलर। आज ब्रांड कोलर के प्रेसिडेंट और चीफ ऑपरेटिंग ऑफिसर डेविड कोलर से मैं बात कर रही हूँ ब्रांड बाजार में। मिस्टर कोलर, वेलकम टू ब्रांड बाजार। ब्रांड कोलर, how has it evolved in a country like India?
Well, I think our brand's evolved very well in India. We're very pleased with the development of the brand over the last few years. It's continued to expand very well. Our organization continues to expand across India with our own team as well as distribution. And I think today we feel very pleased with where we are. But as you know, India is very dynamic. It's fast growing. We have to stay dynamic and driving our brand to continue to succeed over the long term.
What does the overall bath fitting and sanitation market look like?
I think, like many other industry segments in India, our industry is composed of some large Indian players, domestic brands like Jaguar, Hindware, Perriwear. And then you have other international brands that are establishing themselves in India.
What are the key trends that is one witnessing in this market?
Well, I think it's really interesting. As you know, the economy, while the GDP is lower than it has been, the consumer and the middle class are evolving rapidly. The middle class is growing in affluence. Grooming habits are actually increasing, and people are taking more care about how they look and how they groom themselves. They're also taking more care as the economy and the consumer continues to evolve. They're taking more care for their home environments. And you can see the luxury market also increasing in India. So that means that for our products, people are taking more care and thought in terms of how they're furnishing their homes. They're more concerned with long-term quality of the products. They're more concerned with design and technology and how they can enhance their homes and their lives with design and technology. And that really fits into the sweet spot of what we do and what we deliver to the market in terms of leading-edge technology and innovation.
How has brand Kolar evolved based on these trends and changes in the consumer behavior that is one witnessing in the market?
We found that fundamentally you have to build trust and credibility with your consumers. And that begins, one, with a strong team of people on the ground. And we always build a local team, an Indian team, that people really understand the market. Second, you have to have a product line that's really relevant for the market, that's appropriate for the consumer trends and taste. Third, you really have to build a supply chain so you can deliver the product, serve the product, support the product. Fourth, you need to build distribution in the market so you have coverage. And Indian consumers are very demanding. They want the best quality, they want the best service, they want the best the world has to offer.
What is the kind of investment that a brand like Kolar undertakes in a market like India in terms of advertising and branding initiatives?
Well, we really don't share our specific advertising spend, numbers, but I will tell you, as a company, we've invested in total, our total investment in India is approaching over $200 million. In addition to that, as the business was smaller, you're certainly spending over double digits in terms of percentage of sales in advertising and marketing. But it continues to be a major portion of our total operating expense is spent on the brand build and advertising and marketing.
So from here on, what are the future plans for brand Kolar in the country?
We're very excited about the innovation pipeline that we have coming down the path, really in all of our product categories. Yesterday we were just reviewing the new products coming out this year in faucets and fixtures, and we really have a great pipeline of products and technologies that are going to create amazing consumer experiences. So it really starts there, and then we're going to continue to build creative, thought-provoking advertising around that.
Well, Mr. Kolar, thank you for speaking to Brand Bazaar.
Well, thank you so much, Shabani. It's an honor.